Hey guys, welcome back to the Thrifty Traveler's Kitchen. I'm Curt, and on today's recipe I'm going to make a Canadian comfort classic with macaroni and tomatoes. In this recipe I'm going to add a bit of Italian sausage. So we're going to start by sauteing that in the rice cooker itself. I've added a small onion. Forgot to grab my little stir spoon there. And then I'm going to add in about 175 grams of Italian sausage. And yes, the rice cooker actually will brown that meat. Make sure you turn it on. That would be a good idea, Curt. We'll let that warm up, start browning that meat. And we're going to add a couple of things to it. We're going to add a little bit of minced garlic. That's my own homemade minced garlic, real easy to make. Just put it in a blender with a little bit of olive oil, keep it in a sealer, and keep it in the fridge so you got garlic on hand all the time. And then I'm going to add a half a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Haven't got that far yet. I'm going to pick it up here any second and drop it in there. This is the joy of doing a voiceover, guys. Okay, got that all sauteed together now. It's looking good. Mix it up a little bit, and then we're going to throw in those Italian herbs, or Italian seasoning. And we're going to throw in the tomatoes. That's 1 cup of diced tomatoes. Going to give it a little bit of a mix. And pull it all off to one side of the cooker there. Throw in 1 cup of macaroni. It's best to use a small kind of pasta, guys. You can either use macaroni or fusilli or penne pasta if you like, whichever one you prefer. And then we're adding in 3/4 of a cup of water. And that's it. Put the lid on. Bring it up to a boil. Once it comes up to a boil, you're going to want to go in there and give it a little bit of a mix. This is just going to help to keep the macaroni from sticking together. Then we're going to just level it all out there. Put the lid back on and let it finish cooking on 1 cycle of the rice cooker. Yeah, you see, it's down to warm now, so the rice cooker's done. Let's lift it off and take a gander in there. Look at that. So simple. And that's it. Macaroni and tomatoes with some Italian sausage. We're going to have to give that a taste and see how she is. Look at that. Look at that. Let's grab us an eating utensil. And we'll give it a bit of a taste. Smells good. See if I can get some on my fork here. There we go. So good, guys. Give it a try. Let me know what you think.